What's up, what is going on, Pancakeswap holder? So today video is going to be very special for all of you now, because whether Pancakeswap get a 4.48% profit in last 24 hours. So that's especially very good news for me, my friend, and I am 100% sure to that's very good for all of you now. Absolutely, definitely, my friend, when a price will pumps up, so the all credit goes to holder now, and those days also, my friend, our holders are starting investing, our holders are starting holding, so therefore the price will pumps up. Kindly holder, if you want to get a profit in a very short time, you will need, my friends, to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. In those days, my friend, every coin will pumps up, so therefore I am 100% happy, my friend, and I know to upcoming days there is a chances, my friends, they will give you a profit. My friends, when Pancakeswap or fails down, so definitely all holders are starting selling. But in those days, as you can see here, my friend, some holders are just only wait for this. Now, my friend, absolutely after a short time, every coin will pumps up. So therefore, I will notify you to this coin will be go again in the moon now. So thanks for watching, Pancakeswap holder. My prediction is absolutely 100% going positive now, and I know to upcoming time they will give you a very good profit. So please don't starting selling and hold it now. Pancakeswap holder, my opinion is please hold. What's your opinion? Share it in a comment box. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.